Floyd Shivambu applies now. Applies kakhulu. And I don't want to state anything, but I'm saying, abantu abamnyama, there is no one that will celebrate your downfall more than umuntu omnyama. Nobody. Your enemy is not far. And sometimes your enemy is not of a different skin color. Your brothers and sisters that you live around, that you call my fellow Africans, will celebrate your downfall more than anyone else. And that is the truth that we're going to see displayed in front of us in case of the Floyd Shivambu situation. And I think people must appreciate that that is the essence of life in Africa. That when you make a mistake and you fall flat on your face in front of your comrades, don't expect anyone to throw a hand and assist you in standing up. Do you understand what I'm saying? The people will mock you on the ground with dust on your face and celebrate your downfall because it makes them feel good as Africans to see another African brother failing. That's the message that I want to close this video with, because I will be addressing it in a little bit more length. But when that happens, don't allow your character, and I'm speaking now in general to all of us, because we have the same situation in our family, in our communities and everywhere, where you are tippy-toeing in everything that you're doing. You're afraid to start a business because if you fail, bazokuhleka. You're afraid to study because if you fail, bazokuhleka. You're afraid to do anything because you've got this fear that batho ring principle, batho ring syndrome. Abantu bazothini. You are so afraid because people will mock you. And once you become like King said so, and you run past that thing, but I don't care what people say. I don't care enough that it must change my temperature. I care what people say, of course, but not enough that it can change my temperature. Then you are going to win in life. Now, Floyd's character is going to be tested, Gakul, because like I said, for the next whatever weeks, expect black people to be on his neck. We are going to call Floyd, as content creators, we are going to call him a liar. We are going to say he is saying Jacob Zuma is a liar. We are going to attack Shepard Bushiri again. And remember, I always tell you, politics is the greatest distraction to the black agenda. So in all of these next 3-4 weeks where we are focusing on Floyd, other people are building their empires. They are strengthening their things. Then when are you going to come and say, it's unfair?